In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate HubSpot using the Apne2 platform. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to make the most out of its fantastic features, I'll walk you through some crucial steps that will enhance your workflow. First off, to get started, you'll need to access the user guide for HubSpot. This guide is your gateway to unlocking the full potential of the CRM tools within HubSpot. It's packed with information and tips that can transform the way you work. Think of it as your foundational resource. You can find it by visiting the HubSpot user guide section on their app. Once you're there, the next thing to do is click on CRM. This is where things really start to happen. The CRM, short for Customer Relationship Management, is the heart of HubSpot. It's where your customer data is stored and where you can manage all interactions. Clicking on CRM will open up a plethora of tools you can use to track and manage your customer relationships in an efficient manner. After clicking on CRM, navigate your way to the Companies section. Here, you're looking at a comprehensive list of all the companies in your database. This section allows you to organize and access detailed information about each company, providing you with the ability to analyze data for various companies you work with. It helps in segmenting your database for more targeted communication and engagement. Once in the About Companies section, it's time to click on HubSpot. Clicking here will seamlessly integrate with your list of existing companies, ready to be updated or analyzed further. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to interact with your database while maintaining a clear view of all the relevant information you may need right at your fingertips. Following that, you're going to want to click on Actions. Actions are where you get things done within the HubSpot platform. This part of the process involves managing tasks, setting reminders, or updating records, a crucial step to ensure all your information is not only up to date but also actionable. Consider this your operations hub within the company section. Lastly, once you've completed your actions, the next step is to click on Follow. The Follow feature is incredibly useful as it keeps you informed about any changes or updates to the companies you're interested in. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay connected to the latest developments in your customer relationships. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently navigate the HubSpot platform and manage your customer relationships more effectively. This guide serves as your key to unlocking organized and insightful interactions with the companies you work with. Practice these steps, and soon you'll find yourself navigating with ease and precision.